Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, look for the hotspot toggle, which should be on one of the pages. For me, it is on the second page right over here, and once you see it, hold it the first time around, as this will quickly take you to the settings. Here, select hotspot settings, and luckily the device automatically starts with the hotspot password, as this is password that is going to be randomly generated for everyone. I would recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and it can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter. Next, you can go over other options, but if you don't know what they do, I do recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this gives you the best compatibility. Next, click on save. This will change the password. You can close this, and now find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to enable it. It also gives you the amount of devices that are connected to it, which for me is 0, so you can see. And once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. And the reason you might want to do that is because your hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're done using it and you don't need it, there's really no reason for it to be wasting your battery. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.